good to be back.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young.
Go Marwa, work.
And still finish and run,
I
yeah.
think baby she's lazy. And this one also is on the stroller. He's sleeping.
The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you are, baby.
She's so overwhelmed.
Unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself. Oh, baby. Breathe slow, baby.
Grabe, ang daming tao. My goodness. Hindi na siya. At so we're here sa may fountain. So, pinatay na nila yung fountain. Sobrang daming tao. Mapipil mo talagang square na. Mga pauwi na yung iba. So ayan, wala na. Kasi 1:30 na. So close na yung sa banda doon. Si Unano. Oh. Ngayon nagpababa na siya. So ito yung itsura ng fountain pag nakapatay. Para siyang sementeryo. Sobrang dami ng tao doon sa sa may bungad. So dito sa na to, sa may dulo, wala masyado. Kasi doon sa may bungad, hindi ka hindi ka makadaan. Ang traffic. So my son is still sleeping. So konti na ang tao ngayon. Yun yung mag-ama ko. Grabe kanino. Ang daming tao dito. Buti tulog na tulog itong baby boy namin. So the boulevard is closed. Still marami pa ring tao sa loob. So it's already 2. Halis na kami kasi pumutok na ang paa ko dahil ako doll shoes. So bukas magra-rubber shoes ako. Grabe yung lakaran namin. Baby, go back. Daddy will drive.